other than relevance, what are the keys to look for if someone is pitching and they want to get their pitch opened by journalists?
I think the biggest one, instead of a list of many things, the big one is the follow up and the follow through. Because there are definitely times where I have talked to a writer, especially freelance writers. Freelance writers are not always tied down to different outlets, but they're pitching different things to different outlets all the time. And I have had people come back to me and say, hey, I'm not talking about this right now, but I will be talking about this in 2 months. And this is specific, I'd say also anecdotally from my boxes, is that I might start pitching for Mother's Day. Maybe I don't fit what the Mother's Day article is going to be about, but there's Father's Day. There's, I think somewhere out there's probably an official Grandma and Grandpa Day. And then there's the holidays. So sometimes, and not sometimes, it's always going to be about follow through. And I have found that sometimes writers still use Twitter, which I guess now is called X. That's going to take some rewiring in my brain. But I also have some writers that respond in Instagram DMs. So it might not just be a follow up on that email, but it might be going the next step. Find out where they're active.